Hello, in this video I'm gonna show you how to restore WhatsApp backup on the Asus ZenFone 12 Ultra. Okay, so let's begin. First, simply install the WhatsApp, and once you have verified your phone number, you'll have something like this, contact with media. Simply click on continue, you can click allow, allow, and allow. As you can see, looking for backups, and now in here you have restore your chats. As you can see, the Google account, but please make sure that you're using the same Google account that was used for the backup. And now simply click on restore. It's gonna take a few seconds to restore the chats. And as you can see, restore complete. You can now click on next. Here you can type your name, profile name. Simply click on next. And as you can see, the messages have been successfully restored. So if you find this video helpful, please leave a like, comment and subscribe.